Hello everyone, welcome to the ultimate unboxing of the HIMI Rhombus Solid Watercolor paint set of 24 colors. This stylish elegant set comes in 3 case colors, yellow, white and green, and we are currently looking at the green color case. So get ready to dive into a world of vibrant colors and creative possibilities as we reveal what's inside this exciting set. This unboxing will give you an up-close look at the shades, packaging and quality of these watercolors. Stick around to see the paints in action and discover how they can elevate your next masterpiece. So let's get started. The HIMI Rhombus watercolor paint set is a favorite among artists for its combination of style and performance. The set comes in a sleek rhombus-shaped case that's not only stylish but also compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for artists on the go. These watercolors contain high-quality, finely ground pigments that offer rich, vibrant colors and retain their brilliance even when diluted. These paints offer a rich selection of highly pigmented colors that are both vibrant and easy to mix, ideal for creating a wide range of hues and tones. They have a very smooth, even flow, making it easy to control water-to-paint ratio for beautiful gradients and washes. Known for their smooth and creamy texture, these watercolors glide effortlessly on paper, making blending and layering a breeze. They offer a range of transparency, allowing for seamless layering and blending while maintaining the integrity of the underlying colors. They have high light fastness, meaning they resist fading when exposed to light, ensuring your artwork remains vibrant over time. They mix really well with other colors without becoming muddy, allowing you to create a wide range of custom shades. They perform well on a variety of watercolor papers, allowing artists to experiment with different textures and weights while still achieving consistent results. These paints can be easily reactivated with water even after drying, offering great flexibility for artists who work in layers or revisit their pieces later. We're almost heading to the end of the swatches. We're looking at Payne's Gray right now and then the classic black. So now you're looking at the swatches of all the 24 colors available in this stylish, elegant set. Overall, the HIMI Rhombus set is perfect for all artists, offering great performance in a beautiful and practical package. So go and shop your set in your favorite case color from our Thobi website. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Thanks for watching.